Welcome to ReliaMaint CMMS channel. Permit to work are important aspect of industrial plant and equipment maintenance. Let's try to open a new work order in ReliaMaint CMMS. The first requirement is to make a request for work permit. If you don't need the work permit or it is a quite small work, you can select not required. But unless the work permit is available, the work order will not save any information. Most of time permit to work are standalone software working along with maintenance system or simple paper pen system. These work permit system are not effective. ReliaMaint CMMS developed built-in work permit system, which almost force the maintenance team to follow right process for permit requirements. Let's see how it works. Now take a case when you required a work permit. You need select the work permit from your list of work permit and save. Now this work permit generated unless approved by safety personnel or otherwise. You will not able to save any further information to current work order. If you try to proceed without safety or any other authorized person approval, the error message will reflect. It means the work permit is not approved by authorized person or agency. It is quite an easy process for approval. The work permits are approved for running day plus 1 day, and afterward it will be disapproved by system itself. This is the simple process for safety work permit approval. The date reflect the validity date, and after validity date the work permits will automatically disapproved. Highlighted color show work permit needs approval or reapproval. Once the safety permit is approved, work order can save the information normally without any error message. The work permit points to be observed will be available along with work order. Thanks for being with us. ReliaMaint CMMS wish you always safe work.